Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix game files download error on Genshin Impact. Let's begin. Now, if you're encountering download errors within the game files in Genshin Impact, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue, alright? Number one is make sure that you have a stable internet connection and working properly, because download errors can often occur due to interruptions in internet connectivity. The next option that you can do if your internet connection is active and stable is to simply check the server status. Now, you can always verify if there are any server issues or maintenance going for Genshin Impact. You can check the official Genshin Impact website or other social media channels or third-party software like our website to check for any announcement. Now, the thing is, you can also clear the game's cache because it can sometimes help resolve download errors, alright? Now, the next thing that you can do from here is you might want to check your firewall settings, because firewall settings can interfere with the game downloads. I suggest you temporarily disable them or add Genshin Impact to your firewall, or if you're using an antivirus, because like your firewall settings, sometimes antivirus software can interfere with the game downloads. Like your firewall settings, temporarily disable them, or again add Genshin Impact to your antivirus exception list. Now, the next option that you can do from here is now go to start menu and click on settings. Once you are here, now from here click on network and internet and click on the change adapter options. And now once you are here, I need you to right click on that and go to properties and go to the internet protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Click on properties, and of course you can always use a different DNS. Now, you can always choose the DNS servers that you wanted for gaming. Now, I'm gonna use the primary DNS for a Google DNS server, which is 4/8 and 8/8 and 4/4s. All right. Now here I'm gonna choose 8/8. And the alternate DNS server is 8844. Click on OK and try to restart your computer to see if that works. Now, if none of the above steps work, you might want to contact the Genshin Impact customer service. I'll tell them your situation about having problems on the game files download. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.